Ready to sling webs with keyboard and mouse in Spider-Man 2? Let's do this. First, head to our ps3.net. This is the PS3 emulator that will let us play Spider-Man 2 on your PC. Find the download button, click it, and choose the version for your operating system. Once downloaded, extract the rpcs3 files to a folder on your computer. Open the rpcs3 executable file inside that folder. The emulator will prompt you to install PS3 Firmware. rpcs3 will redirect you to the PlayStation website, download the latest firmware update, and install it through rpcs3. Next, go to Configuration, then the Gamepad tab. Select Keyboard and Mouse, ensure it is Handler 1, and click Save. Now, you'll need the Spider-Man 2 game file. I can't tell you where to get it, but a quick search online should point you in the right direction. Drag and drop the game file into the rpcs3 window. Double-click on the Spider-Man 2 icon, configure your graphics to your liking, and swing into action with your keyboard and mouse. Don't forget to adjust key bindings. Have fun saving the city.